Want to know how to grow your own bean sprouts? It's simple to turn mung beans into tasty, nutritious sprouts for salads, stir fries, etc. I'm Marcy McDonald with Pacific Northwest Suburban Homesteading. Today I share instructions submitted by my friend George.
Hello and welcome. Would you like to learn how to grow some bean sprouts at home? You just get yourself some mung beans, dried from the store. And we're going to start with 2/3 of a cup of dried mung beans. Here. And we're going to dump them in here to soak overnight. And we're just going to put some water in enough to cover them. And then you're going to take a clean towel, dish towel, and drape it over the top and just let it sit there overnight. And I will be back in 24 hours to explain the rest of the process. Hello and welcome back for day 2 of the bean sprout videos. This is what they look like now. As you can see, you got little sprouts coming out of them. They're starting to split. So what we're going to do is you're going to take a little flower pot here with some holes in the bottom. You're going to take yourself some paper towel, put it in the bottom here, and you're going to get yourself some netting from like some onions or potatoes or something like that. Put that down in the bottom as well. And then you're going to put your bean sprouts in here. I'm going to do it in a bowl because there might still be water in here. Make sure you get all your bean sprouts out. Give them a good shake to level them out. And then what you want to do is you want to coat them or cover them with water again. Let them water run over them for a few seconds. And then let the water drain out. And you'll do this every day so they don't dry out. And then you'll just cover them up. So I'm going to put them in here to let the water drain. I'm going to put a bowl down in here and under it so that the water can drain out. And then you just put it in a dark place because you don't want them to grow the green spots. So you just cover it back up with the same kitchen towel that you used to cover it up the night before. And we will check back in tomorrow and we'll see the progress as the days go by. Welcome back to day 3 here. As you can see, they're starting to get their little tails on them and they're looking wonderful. So what we're going to do is we're going to soak them in water again and let the water drain off and then cover them back up with the same towel that you've been covering them. And you just keep doing this over the next couple days and I'll come back tomorrow and show you the growth rate again. This is day 4 of the bean sprouts. You just gotta keep watering them 2 to 3 times a day and they'll get big and tall, and over the next couple days I'll show you how much we'll get from it. This is about 1/4 of a cup of bean sprouts in this little pot, and you just gotta water them and keep them covered every day. So after day 6, 1/4 a cup of mung beans sprouted gives us this many bean sprouts. Yes, let's go. You can use them so many different ways. You can even eat them raw.
There you have it. I'm grateful to George for showing us how easy this is. There is no need to buy expensive sprouts at the store when you can buy inexpensive beans and grow your own in just a few days. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, be curious, keep an open mind, and never stop learning.